Guys, today I'll be doing this look with the Norvina palette by Anastasia Beverly Hills, and I hope you guys enjoy. Please ignore my lips here, they look kind of funky. Taking base on a shader brush, packing, wow, did you guys see that? Packing it on the brush. And now, wow, it's so new. It was gifted to me. I haven't even took off the freaking plastic. Anyways, turn that on my eye. Using it as a base. Taking Love on a blending brush. Putting that in my crease. Taking the same blending brush, tapping into Passion, going a little bit lower, going in the same place where I put the pink but a little bit lower.
So exactly on your crease. This shade is so pretty.
And I'm going to pack on Passion all over the lid. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. This is a brush that I use base with.
So this look is actually gonna be like a cranberry look instead of pink, since Passion is so pretty. Going back in the blending brush, getting some love, and blending it. Lightly going over this area.
And now I'm gonna do that inverted liner that I've seen. We'll see how that goes. And I'm using 10 Light and the Fit Me Concealer to do a wing. We'll see. Here I'm just doing the liner with concealer to do that inverted wing thingy, I don't know, that I saw on Instagram.
Going with Passion.
So my wings came out different, but anyways. So now what I'm going to do is, instead of using the matte shades, I'm going to use Wild Child and Drama. So these two. And I'm going to put the dark one in the first half, and then the wing out, I'm going to do Wild Child. So let's see if it comes out right. So I had problems putting Wild Child in the wing portion, but I believe it had to do with the fact that I did not set my concealer. So I had to pack on a lot of that shimmer shadow. So in case you would want to do it, I guess suggest for you to set your concealer first. Or I don't know, because I mean Drama was pretty nice.
To further along the transition, I'm going to use rose gold right here and try to blend those two. These metallics are really chunky, but they are so pretty. Okay, going back with rose gold. And then Wild Child. Not that chunky, this Drama.
I'm going to go in with Passion and just outline that wing. Oh, I didn't do it. I am going to take a risk and use Soul in the lower lash line. Just taking a little bit, and I'm going to run it along my lower lash. And for highlighting the face, I'm going to use Dreamer. This is the Dare brush that came with this. So I'm going to use Dreamer. And let's see how this goes. Wow. So this is the final look. Lashes are a little bit wonky, I'm still learning, but I mean, this is so pretty. The shadows blended nice. Dreamer, it's probably my new highlight. So I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you guys stay tuned for another video and just learn with me. Bye. So yeah guys, that's the video. I hope you guys like it. I know it's not practical, but I think you guys like seeing creative makeup. Thank you so much for being with me on this journey. I appreciate you guys. Bye.